Hi guys, could you believe that this yummy akara is made with only unripe plantain? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by again today. I appreciate each and every one of you for always coming back to watch my video. May God bless each and every one of you out there that has been watching my video, that has been sharing out my video, that has been giving me thumbs up, that has been commenting below. I appreciate you all and I see you all. Today we'll be making yummy akara, and guess what? This akara is made with only unripe plantain, inspired by Life with Rosie. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching. For this recipe I will be using 2 unripe plantains which I have washed off camera, and I also be using 2 large eggs. I have here onion with me, and here is my habanero pepper and my salt. So guys, the first thing I will be doing now is to peel off the skin of my plantain. So I will just make a straight cut on the plantain like so. Then from one end I will start peeling off the skin just like this. It's so easy to do. Like I said earlier on in this video, I saw this recipe for the first time from Life with Rosie's channel, so feel free to check out her own recipe because I twisted mine a bit, but bet me guys, this came out really fluff. So I will be leaving the link of her channel on my description box below. Feel free to check it out guys. And if you have not tried out this recipe, what are you still waiting for? No darlings guys, please try out this recipe. Your family will enjoy it. And we ate this with bread, like normal akara we do it with bread, and it tastes so good guys. And please, if you find this video helpful, remember to give me a thumbs up, share out the video to your family and friends, and also comment below. I appreciate you all, and if you are new to my channel, you are much welcome. Consider subscribing and also turn on the bell notification to all so that you will be among my notification gang. And you know what that means? It means you will be getting notification whenever I upload a new video. So guys, keep watching. So the next thing is to dice your plantain, because I'll be blending mine with my blender, because this recipe doesn't require any water in it. So I will be dicing it all so it will be easy for my blender to blend. Meanwhile, you can use your food processor, you can use a grater to grate yours. Just do what works for you, okay? So let me dice it up first, then we move on to the next stage. So guys, once you are done dicing it, you start blending it, and the first thing I'll be putting inside my blender is my eggs, because it have this liquid consistency which will make it to blend easily. So after adding my eggs, I will add my onion, which also produces a lot of liquid. It will also help my plantains to blend easily without me spoiling my blender. But like I said earlier, you can blend yours using your food processor. So I just go ahead and throw in my plantains. Then I will cover it and start to blend. Meanwhile, I'll be using my spatula to push it down so it will blend easily. Then once it starts blending, I will allow it to flow. Once it has blended into a smooth paste, we move on to the next step, which is adding our ingredients. So right now, I will transfer it into a bowl. Once I'm done transferring it into a bowl, I will start stirring it. At least I will stir for 2 to 5 minutes like you normally do when preparing akara. Stirring it helps to add in air into it so that it will loosen a bit, but you can as well use your electric mixer to mix this very well. And over here I've started heating up my oil, which I will use to fry it. Please, if you are still watching up to this extent, consider thumbing up the video for me, and when you are done watching the video, please share it out to your family and friends, even to your colleagues. I made sure that I mixed this for a total of 5 minutes. So now I will start adding the ingredients, but meanwhile this is the consistency. So I will first throw in my pepper. Then once I'm done adding my pepper, I will also add my salt to taste. There are a lot of things you can add in at this stage. You can add in smoked fish, you can add in crayfish, you can add in spring onion. Just be creative, okay? This is lockdown recipe, just be creative. Now I will give it a final stir so that the ingredients will be properly distributed. I will also test for salt, and everything is perfectly okay. My oil has heated up, so I will start frying. So for frying, I will be using my cooking spoon to scoop it, but you can use any spoon of your choice. You can use your wooden spoon as well. So I will just be scooping it. This quantity is okay. I just throw it inside my oil and allow it to fry, just like so. I will fry each side 2 to 3 minutes, then I will flip it over and fry the other side. Please make sure you are frying on a low heat so that the inside will cook very well. Once it has turned to golden brown, or after 3 minutes, just take it out from the oil. I will also repeat the same process with the remaining mixture. Once you're done frying, enjoy it with your agege bread, with your hot chocolate, with your pap. So guys, this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye, and see you in my next one.